Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at today's top 40 from number 31 Algorand up to EOS at 39. Let's get straight into it. Algorand against BTC. Yes, so we have a target over here, 21,200, but I feel like this target may not be hit anymore. We are not exactly in a consolidation. I think eventually we should be rising, but I just don't see it happening yet. So yeah, we're gonna be realistic. We'll revisit this when the bullishness resumes. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to remove this. I will reattach it eventually, but yeah, not now. But things are just not really looking good for Algorand against BTC. We don't know if this low is going to hold, or whether if we're gonna be taking out this low, or could we even be dropping even lower to take out the low over here at about 700. This is at 1002. So again, we're still not really sure of things though. We're still under the skinny pink line, so we're still buyers bearish for Algorand against BTC. Algorand against USDT. Here we are. We had a target over here since the 21st of September 2022, and we have been heading towards the target ever since ever since getting it. So yeah, I still feel that Algorand is still heading not much lower, but a little bit lower before hitting targets. Are we going to see some sort of a strong response, a bullish response? We don't know. All we know is we're very close to target. We're 22 cents. 20 cents is just like 2 cents away. So yeah, there you go. I don't think it's a wise idea to be opening shots right at the bottom, close to the targets. And yeah, we're not so sure if there's going to be any whiplashing before we fall, but yeah, we're very close to target 4. Algorand. Cronos against BTC. We'll look at it on KuCoin. So for Cronos, we've been stepping our way down, right? Step down, right? So it feels to me like we might, I'm not so sure if we're going to be getting another step here, or we could just be slicing down, but Cronos, yeah, the hope that we have for Cronos is that we form something like a squeeze over here, right? And this whole thing could be a wave C. Right, so this could be the very end of the 5th wave, right? 1, 2, 3. Wait, what am I doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 waves down, right? So yeah, the thing is, I think more likely than not, we should be taking out the lows here and all the stop sells over here as Cronos heads lower. That's my guess. We don't have any targets. The targets have already been hit. But yeah, again, we're very oversold, so I don't think it's a wise decision to be opening shots, and I don't think it's wise to be doing DCAing yet, because we don't know how much lower it's going to go, and there are clusters of stop sells over here. CRO against USDT on KuCoin. We are also not really sure what's happening with Cronos USDT. We've also been staircasing our way down, right? A descending triangle, down, rising channel, down. Yeah, this is some sort of a consolidation, and looks like we're going to be heading lower as well. But I feel like the end is not too far away, because I can already count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So yeah, I think the whales of Cronos are looking to take out the all-time lows over here at about 5 cents. So stay freaking safe. We are very severely oversold. There should be some sort of a rally. I hope that we get this kind of a rally soon for Cronos. But yeah, I don't see the bullishness coming in yet. And usually before bearish trends end, right, we will go sideways for a while before heading back up, right? So there's no sideways move. I don't see the sideways move yet. So yeah, stay safe. We're still largely in a bearish trend. So yeah, it's just that I think we're close to the end. But yeah, we'll wait for it to happen first before doing anything. Cronos with ApeCoin. Ape against BTC. So for Ape against BTC, feels like we're going sideways though, right? Bearish trend, sideways, going back up. Questions. We're not too sure ourselves, but of course, there's also a danger. This could be a descending triangle, right? This could be mountain 1, mountain 2. We get mountain number 3. We hit much lower for Ape against BTC. Absolutely possible. I just don't see the chart pattern yet, so I'd be careful about calling bearishness, more bearishness. We don't have any targets at all for ApeBTC. All we know is that we've been going sideways, right? Even if we do dip, I suspect it will just be a slight dip to take out these lows. and then maybe some sort of a rally back up. But yeah, we're not entirely sure. So again, we can't be committing into a trade when we are not sure. Ape against USDT. Yeah, we're still in the falling wedge, right? And the resistance line lines up very beautifully. 4 touches. And this is just a sign that eventually it is going to break. It is going to break one fine day. We don't know when that day is, but one fine day. And so the question we always ask is this the bottom? We're not too sure. We're not too sure, right? We might just retrace to the 0.618 golden retracement, right? Over here. Yeah, at about $3.25, maybe somewhere around there before seeing some sort of a bullish response. So again, at this point of time, we're still not really sure. So we're not going to be rushing into anything for Ape against USDT. We love to go long for Ape, but we need to see the signs first, and I don't see the sign yet. So stay safe, stay safe. Filecoin, File BTC. This is Filecoin for you. Any signs of bullishness? Nope. Is this an all-time low for Filecoin? I think so. Look at Filecoin against USD. Oh no, not yet. This is not the all-time low. Against BTC, it is, I think. Yeah, it's all-time low. So again, the question we ask ourselves is this the low? Are we still gonna hit much lower? Feels like it to me. Feels like it to me. Feels like we're gonna hit much lower for Filecoin, and we're already on our way down for Filecoin. Filecoin has collapsed plentifully, right, from 2 cents down all the way to 0.05 cents, right? This is really a 97 fall, right? And then again, we rallied to 0.4 cents almost, and we fell all the way back down to 0.01 to, yeah, another 95%, 97%, 95%. Who's to say that we won't fall another 90%? So the danger is there. The danger is there for Filecoin. I just don't see it on the charts. You know, there's no signs of bullishness yet. Eventually, hopefully, but not yet. You know, maybe we dip a little bit. We take out all the stop sells over here, and then we go sideways for a while before going back up. Best case scenario, but we need to see this sideways move first. Until that happens, yeah, we're gonna be patient and we will wait for the Filecoin whales to do their thing. For Filecoin, yes sir, USD, we have a fresh target here, very close target here, $3.60. I think we're gonna go past that though. We're gonna blow past that down to $2.40. That's my guess. Of course, I could be wrong, but yeah, I think we're gonna be hitting $3.60 fairly soon, right? There is a mountain range here. If you zoom into the 15 or 5 minutes, you'll be able to see the mountain range, right? And I think more likely than not, the direction is down, right? Filecoin is a mountain coin. You can see mountains here. We fell even down during the path. You can also see smaller mountains. Another double mountain over here. We fell. Another mountain. We fell. Right? Something like a head and shoulders. We fell. There's another mountain range. We're falling. We keep falling for Filecoin. No signs of life yet. Eventually, hopefully, but not yet. And again, even for Filecoin, I can already count 5 waves. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the end is not too far away. We might just hit 360, and after that, pump, we start a reversal. Right? We may not even hit to 240. But I think if we hit 240, 360, 240, maybe after that, so we might see a strong bullish response. But again, at this point, we are purely guessing. We just you know, don't see the buying pressure coming in for Filecoin yet. And if Bitcoin continues to stay weak, it is going to affect Filecoin as well. So yeah, you gotta look at Bitcoin. Things just aren't really looking that perky. Not at this point of time. Near against BTC. What's NER? Near against BTC, we are, yeah, again, we run out of targets. No clear targets for near against BTC. There's some support here and there, and the next noisy area will be over here at around 6,003, right? 9,002. So yeah, just a little bit more. 1, 2. Yeah, I don't see 5 yet. This could also just be 3, right? May not be 5, but again, we don't have any targets for near against USDT. Yeah, again, no clear targets. We're still largely in a bearish trend. We just don't know when the end is, right? Could we still dip a little bit more? Sure. Could we be breaching $1? We're at 160. $1 is like 60 cents away. So the whales may be pulling near's price to $1, and then the whales might be buying a big chunk of near at sub $1 prices, and then maybe you might see a bullish response after that. But again, we just don't see it yet for near. So stay freaking safe. VeChain, VET against BTC. Sunny, what's up, Sunny? VeChain against BTC. Yeah, feels like we're going sideways. Feels like it, but again, no clear chart patterns. You know, I feel like we're randomly moving here and there. Okay, you can see over here, right? Lower highs. This is good. Maybe we might come back down. Get an inverse head and shoulders over here. Left shoulder down, head, right shoulder, boom. This would be brilliant, awesome. But I don't see it yet for VET. So yeah, we're staying safe. We are staying safe for VET BTC, VET USDT. Yes, sir, we have two targets over here. One is at 1.6 cents and another one is at 1.2 cents. So more downside. Yes, sir. We are banking on more downside. Again, even for VeChain, I can count 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are very close to the end. Very, very close to the end. We're not too sure if it's going to be 1.6 cents or is it going to be 1.2 cents. But yeah, we're very close to the end, in my opinion, right? If we head towards 1.2 cents, then probably we might hit 0.618, right? Before seeing a strong response coming on. We might, but at the same time, there are also clusters of stop sells over here at around sub 1 cent. So I think if we hit to 1.2 cents, we might break into sub 1 cent. Maybe. Not too sure myself. We shall see. We shall see. Hedera hash graph against BTC. Yeah, it's not looking good. I think more downsides to be expected. Hedera hash graph is one of the coins that is very bearish. Very bearish, yes. From where we are to target is another 36%. And we're expecting more downside to come for Hedera hash graph, right? HBAR against USD. I don't think we're going to stop at 3.9 cents. I think we're going to blast through 3.9 cents and we might even take out the lows over here. So yeah, that's HBAR for you. It's looking pretty bearish. And again, I don't know if this is going to be a good trade, especially towards the short side of things. I just don't see the, you know, we're very severely oversold. Very, very severely oversold. And we might just hit targets at 3.9 cents and then see some sort of a bullish response. But yeah, we're not really sure about Hedera hash graph against USDT. Against BTC, we are more sure, but not against USD. So there's that going on for us. ICP against BTC. Internet computer, yeah, it's not good. We had a target over here, 2060. We got it on the 22nd of September. Now it's 2248. Again, we're very close to target. We almost hit target over here on the 8th of November. Now it's already the 15th of December. So it's been 1 month and we have not been doing much. Feels like we're going sideways, which is good. Which is good. But again, yeah, no clear signs of a bullish reversal yet. We don't see it yet, so stay safe. ICP against USDT. Yeah, we have another target over here, very close to the target for BTC and for USD as well. So it might just be a little dip, and then we start reversing back up. Even for ICP, I can count 5 as well, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Last wave, potentially the last wave, and then we see some sort of a bullish rally. That's the expectation though. So yeah, we'll see how it goes first, but the chart patterns over here is just not so clear. The last time we got a nice chart pattern was over here, the rising channel before we broke lower, right? After that, yeah, things have been pretty, you know, very rough, I would say, very rough chart patterns. So it's not what you would call as actionable actionable information. We don't have it for ICP. EOS against BTC. Yeah, again, we're still in a bearish trend under the skinny pink line. Hopefully this is the start of the sideways move, right, for accumulation before we head back up. Hopefully, I hope Dan Larimer is brewing some surprise for us behind the scenes. But yeah, I just don't see it on the chart. I just don't see it. I wish I could tell you that things are going to reverse, but I just don't see it. Even EOS against USD as well. It's just too, ambiguous. We haven't seen new all-time highs since 2018, right? That was like 6 years ago. Sorry, 4 years ago. Failed maths. 4 years ago. So, yeah. Lower low. Double bullish divergence. Yes. Yeah. Higher low on the MACD. Higher low on the RSI, I think. Let's check. Yeah, higher low on the RSI. So maybe a reversal coming on for EOS. Not too sure. This is a rising channel though. So rising channels usually break lower, right? So maybe a triple bearish divergence. Ooh, this would be great. This would be great. It would be sweet. It would be sweet. And then, yeah, you see the revival of EOS. We go back up, form a head, form a right shoulder. And then EOS goes to Valhalla. That would be brilliant, but again, yeah, it's just not so clear at the moment, so we are staying safe. All right, I guess that's it for today's top 40 crypto TA. Things just aren't really looking that perky yet. We still have downside targets to be met, and we are staying patient. All right, I guess I shall see you in the next top 50, which is tomorrow. And yeah, have a nice day. Ta-ta.